Hi, welcome to a new video from MobileMX. My name is Edwin Bolong, and today I'm going to show you how to install TPP check for Misra C rules and use it. Remember that you can go to our website to look to everything you need to install it and use it too. So let's open PowerShell. Tell me to install TPP checks. Put it the command to install it. Remember to run the script to install as well. Now that we have the PowerShell open, type choco install tpp check and then type y to install everything correct. Now that it's done, let's look what we need to use it in our project. As you can see, we have in the website different rules, and we need to add the Misra files to have it in case there's something wrong in our project. Here you can see how we place in our make file how to run TPP check for the Misra rules and the output you'll see. Then we have the rule suppression. This is going to help us in case we need to skip a rule for something specific, to put which one is going to be and the reason why we are going to skip it. Here we can see a different way to place the suppression. Also, there's a file where we can place the suppression we need to do in case we repeat it a lot of times. But we need to be careful because it's not as simple as it looks. Using a lot of suppression can affect the quality of our code. So we need to know when we need to use it and always look for the correction for our code. In this file from suppress, we can see different suppression as I mentioned you before. Those one repeat a lot of time, more than twice. For example, requirement from AutoStart where we need to declare different defines for the distributor, and in case the user wants to use it later. So in this case, are more than 10 defines, so it's better to place it here than put it one by one. But in case that are like something specific for each one of them, and I totally suggest you to specify for each one, you put it one by one. Don't take advantage of the suppression. Remember, with the suppress are used for exception that we need it to, and we need to be clear why we need to do this. Now I'm gonna show you an example in code that I have. Let me find the file. For example, these are defined that I told you before. This one I'm not using it, but are requirement for an AutoStart, so it has to be in the project for case that the user wants to declare a port with one of these options. Then we have this one. This one is a way to declare and define with an if, and it's quite important to follow the Misra rule. For some reason it doesn't take it as right, but it's put it suppressed, and I explain you why I have to put it. So I declare in this file and it did not detect, but there it is. Now these are the rule validation that we can use, and using all of them because remember, Misra rules are for having a well-structured code. For example, we have the inline suppress, quiet, enable, warn itself, C99, check against C99, template GCC, display warning like GCC style, the force to evaluate all the ifs, platform unique 32, CPP check build to place the directory, Misra JSON, and so on. Finally, in my make file, you can see the different linker flag that I showed you before. Also, here you can see the make command for Misra rule. I place the folder I want to check the Misra rules, which is AutoStart with all the drivers and FG. Now I'm gonna run the command to show you how it looked like. Just warning are because I made some changes to some functions just to verify that work, but it's not gonna be there for the master repository. Well, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you guys. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and also look to our website. Thanks.